Okay, good morning 11th class. Then today I'll discuss chemical properties with you. That one is in case of chemical properties. Physical properties we have already done. Now in case of chemical properties, you know chemical reactivity of metal as we move down the group, means we are talking about alkali metals. So as we move down the group, in case of metals chemical reactivity increases, and if we are talking about non-metals, so down the group chemical reactivity decreases. Okay, this one is a difference. So here it's a alkali metal, so obviously down the group chemical reactivity increases, and you know that is the reason that alkali metals, they will never found in free state in nature. Okay, because they are active metals, ये कैसे तो reactive होते हैं, तो that's why they are found in combined state in nature. Now in this one, first chemical property, okay, that one is reactivity towards air. Okay, and generally you can say in case of air, either it's react with air or oxygen. Okay, although in air nitrogen is also present, but in alkali metals only lithium is the element which react directly with nitrogen and form nitride. So our main concern when we are talking about air, so our main concern is with oxygen. Okay, so just see in this one, first of all, in case of alkali metals, when lithium react with oxygen, okay, just see, when lithium react with oxygen, so it forms lithium oxide. It's a normal oxide, so this one will form, okay, that one is lithium oxide. This is lithium oxide. Okay, not balanced. This one is 2, this one is 4. Now your reaction is balanced. Okay, when sodium react with oxygen, this is very important 11th class. That one is when sodium react with oxygen, sodium form peroxide, and rest of the members, means potassium, rubidium and cesium, okay, they form superoxide. That one is the difference. Okay, this one will form Na, this one is 2O2. This is sodium peroxide. Now just see sodium peroxide. In case of peroxide, formula of peroxide is O2 2 negative. It means the charge of single oxygen atom is 1. In case of oxygen, it's a O2 negative. That one is O2 negative only. But okay, this one is O2 negative. Okay, and in case of peroxide, it's a O2 2 negative, means charge on single oxygen atom is 1. So remember one thing, peroxide का charge कितना होता है? That one is -1. So in case of this, lithium form oxide, normal oxide. Okay, sodium form, okay, this one is peroxide, and rest of the metal, this one is potassium, rubidium and cesium, when react with oxygen, okay, they form superoxide. Achha, now sodium directly not react. For this temperature, certain temperature is required. This reaction is not balanced, you have to balance also. Now just see, this one is 2 only. Okay, now in this metal, either potassium, rubidium and cesium react with oxygen and it forms superoxide. It's a MO2. Now where M is equal to, okay, now this one is MO2, so this one is superoxide. This one is superoxide. तो कौन सा superoxide है? Metallic superoxide you can say. Okay, just see in this one example, either it's a K, so it becomes KO2, so that one is potassium superoxide. This one is potassium superoxide. Okay, so this one is regarding to reactivity towards oxygen. Now in case of this, lithium only react with, okay, lithium is the only alkali metal which react with nitrogen, and this one is react with nitrogen and form lithium nitride. That one is this one, it's a lithium nitride. Okay, other rest of the members will not react directly with nitrogen and not form nitride. Now in this reasoning question arises, why lithium is the only element which form nitride, which react with nitrogen and form nitride. So in this one, just because of a small size of लिथियम का साइज कैसा होता है, छोटा होता है. तो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ स्मॉल साइज ऑफ लिथियम कैन इजीली एकोमोडेट नाइट्रोजन, स्मॉल साइज नाइट्रोजन एंड बिकम स्टेबल. तो जो कंपाउंड बनता है दैट वन इज स्टेबल कंपाउंड. दैट्स व्हाई लिथियम ओनली रिएक्ट विद नाइट्रोजन. ओके, आफ्टर दैट वी हैव सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी, इट्स अ रिएक्शन विद water. Okay, now second property we have, that one is reactivity towards water. Okay, now alkali metals, they are highly reactive towards water, and you know when it reacts with water, this one is M, that is alkali metal. It's a skeletal equation. When react with water, okay, it gives what, that one is metallic hydroxide. This one is metallic hydroxide, and that one is basic in nature. So when it reacts with water, it gives alkali. Okay, alkali means water soluble base. That's why this group is known as alkali metals also. Now in this you can take example, just see sodium, highly reactive towards water. Okay, so it gives what, that one is NaOH, and lots of heat is evolved. Now same condition with K, that one is this one, so it gives KOH, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Okay, and that is the reason, you know, one reasoning question is there, why sodium and potassium they kept under kerosene. Okay, reason is because if you will leave it as it is खुले में रखोगे तो you know that one is in the presence of moisture. Okay, sodium, potassium, they catches fire easily because they are highly reactive towards water, so they easily react with water and catches fire easily. That's why we kept it under kerosene. Okay, this one is regarding to reactivity towards water. Now next we have, it's a reactivity towards hydrogen. Okay, in class, now another thing is reactivity towards hydrogen. Now just like oxygen, it forms oxide. Okay, so then hydrogen form hydride. Now in case of this metal, alkali metals, when react with hydrogen, okay, this alkali metal except lithium, because this temperature is not for lithium. Okay, for lithium, okay, when it reacts with hydrogen, then high temperature is required. Okay, now just see in case of this metal react with hydrogen in the presence of temperature that is 673 Kelvin, then it forms metallic hydride. It's an MH. Okay, but in case of lithium, temperature is, it's a 1073 Kelvin. Okay, that one is lithium hydride, then it forms lithium hydride. Okay, now instead of this reaction, one more thing that one is very important for you, that is what's the effect of as we move down the group, then what about their stability, how it affect, बढ़ रही है, घट रही है, किस हिसाब से इफेक्ट हो रहा है. ओके, दैट वन इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो नाउ जस्ट सी इन केस ऑफ दिस वन, एज वी मूव डाउन द ग्रुप, ओके, तो हाइड्राइड्स ऑफ एल्कली, आइदर इट्स LiH, ओके, NaH, KH. ओके, तो एज वी मूव डाउन द ग्रुप, देयर स्टेबिलिटी डिक्रीजेस. जनरली उसकी स्टेबिलिटी कैसी होती है, कम हो जाती है. नाउ जस्ट सी इन दिस वन, इन केस ऑफ हाइड्राइड, जस्ट सी दैट वन इज lithium hydride. It's a LiH. It's a LiH. So we can write like this. It's a Li. In case of NaH, this one is NaH. It's a KH. Then rubidium H. Then cesium H. Okay. Now just see इस pattern से कुछ समझ आ रहा है. They all are halides. Okay, now as we move down the group, जैसे जैसे नीचे आ रहे हैं, what happened? Just see bond length, that is bond length increases. Bond length होता क्या? It's a distance, okay, between two atoms in a nuclei. कितना distance है इनके बीच में? That one. Greater is the atom, greater is the bond length. जितना ज़्यादा बड़ा atom होगा, उतना ही ज़्यादा उसकी क्या होगी, बीच की bond length भी उतनी ज़्यादा होगी. Okay, now just see in case of bond length, as we move down the group, bond length increases. खुद सोचो, जितनी बड़ी लकड़ी होती है उसे तोड़ना क्या होता है, आसान होता है. Okay, so as we move down the group, bond length increases. Okay, so therefore, okay, bond length increases, therefore force of attraction, just see, force of attraction decreases. Force of attraction कम हो रहा है. If force of attraction decreases, तो very less energy is required to break the bond. It means as we move down the group, okay, that one is stability डिक्रीजेस, इसकी जो स्टेबिलिटी है वो कैसी हो रही है, डिक्रीज कर रही है. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी इनके दिस वन इज, so that is the reason कि why their stability decreases down the group, and even this one is responsible for their reducing character also. Okay, so stability decreases, and what about their reducing character? That reducing character increases down the group. Just see in this one, as we move down the group, that reducing character increases. Okay, तो reducing character increases means जितने ज़्यादा नीचे आओगे they have tendency to lose hydrogen. तो you know those who loses hydrogen easily they are very good reducing agent, क्योंकि वो reduction में क्या करवा रहे हैं, help करवा रहे हैं, so their reducing character increases. Okay, so this one is regarding to reactivity towards hydrogen. Now next thing is, again in class, now another thing is that one is reactivity towards halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, now remember one thing, whenever there is a reaction with halogen, तो we'll avoid fluorine. Fluorine को थोड़ा सा avoid किया जाता है because it is highly reactive, तो it reacts vigorously. ठीक है, तो उसे कंट्रोल करना थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आता है, बट अदरवाइज either it's a fluorine और बाकी भी हैं, तो whenever they react with metal they form what? Okay, they form halides. Like this one, it's a metal. Okay, plus halogen is represented by X, it's a capital X, and they exist as a diatomic molecule. So this plus X2, then they form a type, that one is MX, because both have charges 1, it's a 2 2. Okay, you can take any example in this one, either it's a sodium, it reacts with Cl2, then it forms NaCl 2 2. Either it's a potassium, when it reacts with Br2, then it forms KBr. This one is 2, this one is 2. So simple. When metals, alkali metals react with halogen, they form halides. And remember one thing, then they form ionic halides, except, okay, that one is Lii, except Lii, because this one Lii is slightly covalent in nature. ये थोड़ा बहुत कैसा nature show करता है, covalent nature show करता है as comparison to rest of the members. Other members they shows ionic character, but Lii they are slightly covalent in nature as comparison to other one. Okay, then remaining properties I'll explain in another video. Okay, thank you.